Okay, message for the people. Here we go. The message for the people. Your nature is abundant. Sometimes we get so caught up in the realm, the 3D realm, the tangible, the physical, the how and the timing of things. We need to feel like we're making it, we're doing something, we're successful. And the truth is, you are successful. Just by you breathing right here, right now, that is your greatest success. Your abundance is your breath. Your abundance is your body. Your health is wealth. When we're in good health, we're in a clear state to initiate. Listen to the heart, listen to your body. Both are important. Feel the vibrations. Take a pause often. The message I'm receiving is we don't pay so much attention to our body. It's here. It knows you better than you know yourself. It's always reaching out to you. It's always talking to you. It's always trying to give you the best. As long as we receive it, if we slow down to receive the messages of our body, what does that look like? What does slowing down look like? It's taking a sacred pause. Taking a deep breath. Closing our eyes and just feeling our heartbeat. Close your eyes and feel your breath. Sometimes throughout the day, I recognize if I'm overholding my breath. And I remind myself, okay, bring it all the way up into your belly and then into your chest. Filling up your lungs all the way. Our lungs go all the way up to here, up to our collarbones. Our lungs. Imagine you're filling up your lungs like a hot air balloon. And fill in your body with that life. We're inviting in. The inhale is our life urge. We're inviting in life. We're allowing that energy, that excitement to cleanse and clear through our body. And on the exhale, we're giving it out. We're pushing it out. It's our trust. Our exhale is our surrender. It's also our death urge. We have the life and the death. Together they move and flow. And we need to not be afraid of the death. Because we are immortal. Nothing is ending. Our bodies are ever evolving, shape-shifting, like a chameleon with its environment, like a butterfly going through metamorphosis. Connected breaths. Let's do it together. Start with one deep, long, cleansing inhale. Through the nose, out the mouth. Begin by taking 4 short exhalations, and 1 long. And repeat this 4 times for a total of 20 breaths. Begin at your own pace. oxygenate your brain, feel your blood cells, feel your whole body tingling with aliveness as you invite in that life energy, allowing it to fill you up, giving yourself permission to go deeper into your process, giving yourself permission to go through the depth, to go through the door, to go through the window, push through it, breathe through it, use your breath to push through the door. It's open. There's always an open door. The invitation is there for you to go deeper into your process, to go deeper into your breath, to go deeper into your body, to fill your whole body up with love. What does it feel like? Take a big inhale, give it to your body, and let it go. Just keep going, keep pushing through it. Use your breath to power through. It's always there for you, it's always available. You can always come to it. It's not going anywhere, it's with you until you're not here, until you stop breathing. Have gratitude for your body, for your health, for your process.